Finishing the 204, let's get started. I started with the interior. The old steering wheel is not my taste, so I ordered a first version steering wheel from France in a very good condition. I wanted to replace it when the restoration is over, and now it's the time. Starting with removing the central cover of the steering wheel, held by 2 screws, and then loosening the steering nut. I'm leaving the nut on a few threads so I won't get hit by the steering wheel while pulling it towards me. A little bit of drumming on the wheel, and it came loose. I'm making sure it's centered before removing it, and now I need to put back the steering column upper and lower cover. It's not as easy as it is in modern cars. I loosened 2 nuts holding the column in place, and now that it's lowered, I can have better but not great access to the bolts holding the upper cover in place. It's a very shitty way to put those plastic trim of the steering wheel. It's not a new one though, I just painted it black with 3 layers. It looks very good for me, compared to the previous condition that had faded paint. Installing the lower cover as well, with new bolts of course. And I return the column back to its place. And now for the part I've been waiting for so long. The new steering wheel. What can I tell you? This was just my authentic reaction. Unbelievable. I waited for this moment so long. Oh my god. And there it is. Wow. 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 Wow, 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 wow. Moving on to the part that didn't go well on the last episode, the door trim. I figured out that the new clips I ordered were about 0.5 millimeter shorter than the original, and it made a huge difference, so they always popped out and didn't stay in place. I replaced it with old original clips. It took me a couple of minutes because those cardboards are more than 50 years old and got a little bit distorted from moisture over time. I also added the armrest back to its place, the handle cover, and the shiny lever itself. I'm not forgetting the... I'm not forgetting the window crank. And the new spring that holds it in place. Let's check it out. It goes very smoothly. That's it with the driver's door. I did the same with the other doors as well. Moving on to replace those old dirty sun visors with newly painted ones. It's just 3 screws holding it in place. That is one of the few things that are almost the same as new modern cars. Moving on to the corners trim pieces of the AC controls under the dash. Now it looks much better. Another thing needed to get back to the dash are those vents. So I removed the cover. It looks like an elephant. And installed the vents. Wow, with this new steering, it's starting to have the shape I wanted it to have. Right now it's starting to looking already like a real car. Wait, let me turn on the light. It's so much better. Wow, wow, wow. I'm so happy with it. It's been, right now it's 5 years since I bought it. Well, that's it for now. On the next episode, a couple more things will get the attention and the car restoration will be finished just like I wanted it to be. So make sure you hit that like button and leave a comment with the thoughts you have about the process. See you next time.